Grandpa's...
Don't do that!
What am I gonna do? I gotta shut it down.
Grandpa's...
It's hitting this light here.
Grandpa's trying to shut down Joe's little plane. But he doesn't want it to hit him in the head. So...
I don't want it to hit the fan! I don't want it to hit the fan!
This is funny.
I don't want to look. I don't want to look.
Joe doesn't want to look. Grandpa's trying to catch it.
No, don't do it! You might hit it in the head! I can't do it! Ugh.
Oh, Joe, how am I gonna do this?
If I
I gotta grab the string.
If I could just jump higher on it.
Not you. No way. I can't even do it. Anything I do, it's gonna hit me. I'm stuck here. I can't look. Ready?
Yeah.
1,
2,
2,
3.
I'm afraid.
What are
No!
Grandpa's gonna fall.
Wow.
No!
Whoa.
No!
Whoa.
No!
Does it have a slow button?
Give me a chair.
Oh no. Wait. Me, Joe, not you.
I have this lion in a cage.
Sam's trying.
Please. Come on.
Sam, you're gonna.
Stop.
It's just close!
I felt the breeze.
Oh, this grandpa.
He's never
How are we gonna do this?
What's he doing, Joe?
never gonna do it!
I gotta
Never.
do it. Maybe I could sneak up around the top.
I
of it.
think it would be a pillow would be
Whoa.
nice.
Whoa.
Oh, see, you're gonna break it, Sam.
Whoa! That was a cool move!
That was a cool move, Sam. Ah, he got
That
it.
was a cool move, Grandpa.
It was
It
cool?
was cool.
Yeah, he did it. The airplane did a cool move. Like I was driving and I did a cool move.
Wow. What if you were driving the airplane?
Then I was gonna blast
This
off.
thing's dangerous. Wow.
Did you shut it off?
It's not, as long as it's not running.
There we go. Woo!
How are we gonna do this, Joe?
Grandpa has to
We gotta
figure out a
figure
better
out a
way.
Maybe if you go right there and turn a little bit where it can't hit it, and then move the picture somewhere else, and then
Move the
maybe
picture.
and then nothing will happen to anything.
Oh boy, that was really
We'll try that
smart.
tomorrow. Boy, I felt it right. The breeze right 3 times.
This is a good idea for tomorrow.
For tomorrow, yeah.
I don't want this
Whoa.
in my room
What?
because I'm scared it'll just go like.
Yes, that's what it did to me almost. Yeah, I don't think it's a good idea there. We just won't turn it on for now.
Yeah, when you're
We'll-
sleeping.
We'll just look at it. We've got to figure out a way how to shut it off.
Yeah,
You got to help me figure out a way.
yeah.
I don't know.
Oh.
I don't know either.
I don't know if I want to help you.
You better help me.